again with Highlands Community Charter and Technical Schools. My name is Oksana Resnik and we are continuing learning English together. So today we are going to discuss the modal verb should. And we have a picture here and the question: should Mary adopt the dog or the cat? So should is actually used to ask for advice. The other ways, how is the modal verb should used? In the affirmative form, in a question, we're gonna discuss today. So the modal verb should or shouldn't is used to make recommendations or give advice. In Japan, you should bow when you greet someone. So in this case, it's more of an advice because people might not know about the rules. How do we form a statement? You start with a subject, you use the modal verb should, and the base form of a verb. I should wait. He should stay. She should go. It should work. We should listen. You should sit. They should help. You didn't get enough sleep last night. You should take a nap. Emma's phone is dead. She should charge a battery. There is no much food in the refrigerator. I should go to a grocery store. As for the negative part, it's exactly the same. The only difference is that we're adding negative particle not to the modal verb should. I should not play. Sometimes instead of should not, you're using a short form and we pronounce that shouldn't. He shouldn't rest. She shouldn't swim. It shouldn't break. We shouldn't try. You shouldn't speak. They shouldn't buy. You're driving, so you shouldn't talk on your cell phone. When you take a test, you shouldn't cheat on it. It's raining outside. You shouldn't go to the playground. And the last part would be the questions. So whenever we want to form a question, we start with the modal verb should, we use a subject, and then we still use the base form of a verb. Should I sell my car? No, you shouldn't. Should he visit his parents? Yes, he should. Should she study for a test? Yes, she should. Should it stop working? No, it shouldn't. Should you play a piano? No, you shouldn't. Should we spend time together? Yes, we should. Should they create a new design? No, they shouldn't. And let's look at our short conversations. Mike: Lily, my stomachache is getting worse. What should I do? Well, you should take some medicine, don't you think? I did, but it's not working. Do you have any other ideas? You should try tea with mint leaves. It helps a lot. Thanks for the advice. I'll try it. And the next one is between Tom and Eric. I'm so stressed these days. I shouldn't be like that, but it was a very busy week. Are you free this weekend? You should go out with me and my friends. That's a great idea. We should go to a comedy show. It's a wonderful place where we could all relax. That's it for today, my friends. Thank you so much for being with us today. And don't forget to please share and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to learn more, make sure you become a student at Highlands Community Charter and Technical Schools. Goodbye.